what the court has said, principles of natural justice. To notice vipas hai, hearing yopas hai. So I think this was not done. I think that director tried to give a half-baked satisfaction to the people who have filed a complaint and the activists. तुमचे काम झाले म्हणून, but at the same time giving a loophole to get it set aside.
So लोकांक भितर आय वॉश करपा खातीर
I think it's an eyewash. Do you mean to say a person on the rank of a level of such a high position would not know that minimum principle natural justice करू नये म्हणून? Was it not a waste of judicial time? Was it not a waste of court time also in the High Court? That someone has to run to the High Court and get it quashed? And it will be set aside on one thing, not heard.
Purposely केला त्याका benefit जावचो.
I can't say purposely, but I would look at it that way. I could suspect it to be. I can't see. Anyway, the matter would have to go back. And the matter would have to be heard by giving notice. Just because it is quashed, things somplana. It will go back and it will have to be heard.
So आता त्यांना next order काढलेली आहे किंवा
I
डायरेक्टर
can't tell you
पंचायत
what will be the order, but I can tell you that he has to hear and pass an order.